Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to the charming town of Carrabelle, Florida. Nestled along the Gulf of Mexico in the Florida Panhandle, Carrabelle is approximately 55 miles southwest of Tallahassee. This quaint community offers a blend of rich history and natural beauty. Historically, Carrabelle has been a hub of diverse activities. The area was originally inhabited by indigenous peoples long before European explorers arrived. In the late 19th century, the town became known for its thriving lumber industry, with vast forests supplying timber that was shipped worldwide. The arrival of the Carrabelle, Tallahassee, and Georgia Railroad in 1891 further boosted the town's economy, facilitating transportation of goods and attracting tourists to the area. During World War II, Carrabelle played a significant role in military training. Camp Gordon Johnston was established nearby in 1942, serving as a major amphibious training center for U.S. troops. Today, the Camp Gordon Johnston Museum stands as a tribute to this important history, showcasing artifacts and stories from that era. Carrabelle is characterized by its scenic landscapes. The town is situated at the mouth of the Carrabelle River, providing direct access to the Gulf of Mexico. This prime location makes it a haven for fishing enthusiasts, boaters, and those who appreciate waterfront views. The surrounding areas are rich in wildlife and offer numerous opportunities for outdoor activities. As the drive through Carrabelle continues, the blend of historical landmarks, natural beauty, and coastal charm offers a glimpse into the unique character of this Florida gem.
for watching.